Hi guys, Kia Sangria here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my press-ons at home and customize them in 3 easy steps. To get started, I start with my nail routine already done and done off camera, and I'm just going to apply my nails using some sticky adhesive tabs. I know a lot of people prefer to use glue, and I sometimes do that, but right now, since I'm in quarantine, I kind of decided that I wanted to focus on growing my natural nails. And so to kind of protect them and also make them look really cute, I decide to sometimes opt for press-ons. So I painted these press-ons before I decided to apply them. It's just easier for me to paint them beforehand. And I really do enjoy the sticky tabs that I use. Using this method, I find that my nails last at least 2 weeks. So I just apply the adhesive, I make sure that it adheres to my natural nail, and then I just take the press-on nail and gently push it into my cuticle to adhere it. So now I've gone ahead and applied all the sticky tabs to my nails, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this hand. I press gently enough that the cuticle is undamaged, but that the false nail and the sticky tab are well adhered together. And then this hand is now complete. And so far it looks really, really good. To further clean these up, I'm just going to take my nail file and just file away any of the defects that normally lie at the tip of the nail. This is to ensure that I don't scratch myself or anyone else. An helpful tip when filing nails, always file in one direction. This goes for your natural nail as well. And there we go, perfection. I absolutely adore this color. So after this, we're going to do something really fun, and we're going to take them from this to this. So to get started with your nail stamping, you'll need some acetone and a cotton ball, some tape to clean your stamper, your stamping plate, some liquid latex for your nails, your nail stamper and scraper, some stamping polish, and your nails. So to get started, you're going to take the liquid latex here, and you're going to just apply it to the perimeter outside of your nail on your finger. me, doing this ensures that when I'm stamping my nails, any design that ends up on my skin, I can easily remove. I know a lot of people don't, I know a lot of YouTubers that actually don't do this, but I'm really clumsy when it comes to stamping my nails. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So for me, like, I need the tools, but it's not really hard. Another thing that's really hard for me to do when it comes to stamping my nail is actually settling on a design. And as you can see, this nail plate has so many different designs on it. There's florals, there's lace, there's tiger stripes. There's a little bit of everything on this plate, and so I never can really decide exactly what I want my nails to look like until I'm just like in front of it and I figure it out. So now I'm going to take my white nail polish and I'm just going to apply it to the plate. And in this instance, I've settled on a floral design. So I'm just going to apply my polish, gently scrape, and then pick up the image with the stamper. And that's how it looks. And then I will just go ahead and figure out my placement. And then I will gently roll the stamper over my nail so that I'll be left with this really pretty floral design. And after this, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my nails by removing the liquid latex, and then I'm going to seal my nail with a top coat. You can use any top coat of your choice for this.